Final bit, at some point in the lab exercise, you're going to need to make a graph, and there'll be more on that later when you get there, and there's plenty of help out there on making graphs in Excel if you haven't already had something like the microcomputers class. Um, so you'll make a graph of data, and in physics, we're typically not interested in just graphing the data, but we also want to try and fit some function to it. So here's a simple linear trend line fit to a simple marble experiment. And this is going to be these are just a couple of really important skills for you to have and to practice and get accustomed to. And I wanted to incorporate them into the lab exercises so that you guys get a little bit more practice with that. We may even at some point do a problem where you um, will actually graph what's going on with the problem rather than just simply making calculations. So there you go. The final bit on Excel, doing plots and doing graphs and doing trend lines and things like that. These Excel skills are things that you will be able to use for a very long time. So don't blow it off and don't think of it as annoyance. It's you know it's there for you, and we're doing this for you. All right, good luck with the class, and I'll talk to you soon.